In this video I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in Google Forms. So if you would like to customize your form with custom fonts, then follow these tips. What we are going to do, we are going to open a new form or use a already created form. Now the next step, once you have opened the form, then you can go to the interface right on top over here. And here you will find the customize theme option. Now you have different options, you can select the text style for each part. We have a header option, a question option and a text option. You can also change the font size. Now for the first step we will change the header font. And as you can see, this is the header font. So what we will do, we will open the menu by clicking on it and then we can select a new font. Let's use this one, the impact font. Select it and as you can see, the impact font will change to it. Now the next step is of course maybe to resize the font. Maybe you would like to make it a little bit smaller, then you can choose another font size. The next step is to change the question style, so the question font, and that will be this one. Let's use this one, and as you can see, now we have successfully changed the question font. For the third option, the text option, then we will change this part of the form. So we will change that font also, and we can use another font if we would like to. So let's use the Merriweather theme. So select it and after that you will see that the text will change into the font we have chosen. And this is how you add custom fonts in Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!